Blackpool Appaloosa 2021 has arrived, and I predict the competition is going to be gold standard.
"1971, my first major competition, played out right here."
I have heard this story to death. She could have won if she kept her elbows up, blah, 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 blah.
Rehearsed for what seemed like a lifetime to a 10-year-old. After school, weekends. My dance teacher was tough, but my mum was tougher. It was a contemporary routine to a big song in the charts. Knock 3 times. I was pushed and primed, tipped for all the best dance academies. The only thing that mattered was winning. I had blisters on my blisters. "Dance on, Patricia!" The dance teacher hitting out the beat with a cane, hitting me if I stepped out of time. "Dance on, Patricia!"
Trish Miniver failed on this stage 1971. Her daughter Maxine followed in her stumbling steps 1991. Could 2021 finally be the Trish Miniver School of Dancing's year?
Mom?
Trish, Charles lost her tight, Emma's on a period, and Lila's crying because her boyfriend's dumped her, and someone has been sick in the kettle.
Right. Pull yourselves together, the lot of you. We either go big or we go home with nothing. Come on.
We can win this if you have the confidence in yourself that I have in you.
I'm closed.
Not to me, you're not.
Let her in. No.
Either I see you or I see the police and tell them exactly what you did to my dad. Oh, and every detail about your failed heroin robbery.
Grace. Big mouth.
Right. Now, can you give me and my future husband some privacy? You waste man. You disgust me.
Make it quick. Because if he's discovered, your engagement will be short-lived.
Good. Good. Alignment strong. Yes, yes.
Oh, Kathleen Angel's smile, oh, she is a crowd pleaser, Mum. Everyone's loving her.
Has Emily put weight on overnight? Fan kick, fan kick. Come on, Leah, front and centre. What is Leah Barnes doing?
She is being remarkable.
She's being an embarrassment. You've got to her, haven't you? You've told her to go rogue.
I told her to express herself because you've been clipping in her wings just like you did to me.
You and Leah are sending me into retirement, still being that failure of a little girl.
That is not what the audience thinks, Mum.
The Trish Miniver School of Dancing, everyone. And that girl in blue, the dazzling Leah Barnes, has got everyone on their feet. Superb. What an act to follow. It is most certainly a 10 from them.
You have found me.
So, you need to do something properly this time.
Of course, sir. Martine. For saying you had an operation 2 days ago, you and your trackies were barefaced. I've never seen you look so beautiful.
That's because you make me feel beautiful.
And I've never felt so important to anyone. When I was, in the forest.
wasn't gonna live. You were the only person on my mind.
And it took a gun to your head to realize that?
No, whatsoever. Martine, Gloria, Devereaux.
Nah, whatever. Just kiss me.
First place for the Trish Miniver School of Dance showstopper, Leah Barnes. Trish, be proud, my love. Leah and the girls, be even prouder.
You did it, girls! You did it! Well done, well done!
Trish, when can I hold the trophy?
They said the journos were looking for me. They want to pat me with the trophy.
You smashed it! Where did all the moves come from? Maxine. The one she weren't allowed to do as a kid.
And rightly so. 2 left feet hoofing like a heifer. Not like my little Leah. Come here. Kissy for Trishy.
There's more than I was a pig barn. Right, and it's Maxine who deserves that award. She had faith in me. Made me feel good about myself. You're just a bully. All right, and I don't care that you had strict teachers or a strict mum. They were just nasty. And so are you.
Excuse me? I taught you everything you know. I put time and effort into you.
Oh, like the punishments. Or the put-downs. Like the jiggle tests.
It's the norm.
Normal to make you feel fat. You're a body fascist and a fat shamer. Right, and she isn't Maxine Mookow. She's Maxine, your incredible daughter who somehow didn't turn into you. Right, she makes young women feel good about themselves. You make us feel worthless because you're a spiteful, abusive, rubbish dance teacher.
How dare you? You don't know the half of it, you ungrateful little...
You won. That's the main thing. I mean, it's the only thing. I'm just sorry I couldn't make it.
Mum, emotions were high today, but Leah had some fair points.
In front of the press. How dare she accuse me of the thing...
That you have actually done!
Absolute humiliation. Front page news. Trish Miniver's School of Anger, and I look so ugly when I'm angry.
You could never...
Have you learned nothing from Leah today?
They were all lies.
They are everything that I have been thinking and never been able to say, Mum, because I am still insecure.
Oh, yes, let's make it all about you, shall we? Stealing Leah, undermining me for some kind of payback. You were never a good enough dancer, Maxine.
Yes, I was. But you always brought me crashing down and made me believe like I wasn't good enough. Do you know what? The sooner that you and Bergie Fu pack your bags and move to Mexico, the better, because you know what, Mum? Without you in my life, I am 10 feet tall.
Good. Then you pack your bags and get out of my flat.
No, that's a bit rash, Pete. She doesn't have to leave. You don't have to leave, Max. Stay. It's your home.
We are gone. Meaning I will happily move out.
What did I do to deserve this, eh? Attacked from all angles when it should have been my day. But I'm so grateful to have you and to still have Mexico to look forward to.
Yeah, about Mexico. There's been a bit of a delay.
What?
I had a lot resting on an opportunity. I've been let down by a middleman again. That recreation and leisure business is folded.
All I'm hearing is jargon.
Our retirement funds, at the moment, are not available. I'm sorry.
Let down again. By my fiancé, by my daughter, by my students, by Blackpool-Appaloosa. You better find that retirement money. Or find yourself another fiancé.
Just getting rid. I regret suggesting to Misbah that she shouldn't keep the baby.
Me, who you see now.
I'm not going to apologize for it, though. It was a decent option for a promising young student who was just at the beginning of her career.
And as a mature student, you just didn't want the shame of knocking up a fresher.
I'm a classic idiot male. And I'm so pleased that Misbah chose to keep you. Because here you are. And I do see you. A wonderful young man that I would be honored to call my son. If you'd let me.
What?
Your firewall security is getting hacked. Whoever it is, they're good. I suggest you disable the cams pronto.
Everything is marked down in an associate's name. He can take the fall if Bluebird's exposed. I need this money.
It'll be traced to your server, your internet protocol.
So come on. Did he manage to sort out Bluebird?
IT Allen did everything he could. Files just disappeared. I think Fergus knew he was being hacked. Sorry.
Brilliant. So now Fergus still thinks that I'm his runaround, and he's still dead.
How am I going to see Martin and the family now?
You want to buy Maxine for £1 million?
I'll come and get the rest of my stuff tomorrow. And you know what? You were right about one thing. You do look ugly when you're angry. Cheer up, Mom. You set me free.